I don't know if y'all can see this. I mean, I know you can see it, but damn. Fucking Transformers is blue. Wow. That is insane. I've never seen that before. Whoa. Dude. I wonder if there's lines down. Wow. Everybody all right? Fuck. Oh shit. Dude. Oh my god. That is the most insane thing I've ever seen in my life. Look, something's on fire. I need to go. I need some shoes. I can't see shit. Where the fuck? Sandals right there. I'm too tipsy for this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Wow. Whoop. Lightning still coming down. Whoa. What? Insane, man. Dude, it smells like fucking 4th of July out here. Something is cooking. Oh, shit. Dude, I want to go over there, but it's down right there. I'm not getting electrocuted right now. That was pretty crazy.
Oh yeah, that's like the volcano.
Smell something burning. Oh shit. I don't know how safe I am right here. Damn, that shit was crazy, huh? Power lines on fire. Probably about to tell us to get the fuck back.
Oh shit, look.
That shit's down. What? Wow. That's the craziest thing I've seen, man.
Oh, it's out now. Okay, G. Okay, hold that thing. You know about the electro?
Do what?
You know about the electro?
Do I know
You know how
about
that motherfucker red?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's on fire.
Is that whole his whole right here? You know where you're sitting?
Yeah. It's all wet.
Yeah, no. Gas food. See all that shit right here?